This is day one of Imaging USA 2026 in Nashville, Tennessee. We ain't never gonna make this video, but we gotta get this shot, cause ain't no story. I'm finna pack for Imaging USA 2026. This is my 4th year in succession. So let's get loaded up. I got here about 9 a.m.
Destination achieved.
We had a great time driving. Stopped at Buc-ee.
Hey, 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 hey! It's easy for
Resting in the glory of His light.
Everybody, if you've never been to Buc-ee's, go to Buc-ee's. It's a fun place to be. I only got gas. Let's get a little gas. Let's get a Oh, okay. I'm about to sing.
I teach you something. Hey, it goes like this.
Is a real thing. From Alabama to Nashville, Tennessee. That cold air blowing on me. Ooh, you know when that Gucci man used to say, here we are. That's how I feel. Alright. You know? Check me out. We matter. I matter. You matter. Imaging USA 2026. I'm here early right now. I just pulled up, just got in town, and I am in the keynote before the expo opens. No, I didn't get here for any class first thing this morning, but I will go to one or two of those later on this afternoon. Got a few questions to ask, got a few places to go, things to do, people to see. Um, I'm looking for a very enjoyable next 3 days here in Nashville, Tennessee at the Opryland Gaylord at Imaging USA 2026. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the PDA Board of Directors.
Raise your hand. My hope is that years from now you look back and remember, this is the day everything changed. This is the day my journey really.
and got on cheese. I don't even know if you think it. It was wonderful. And Lindsay Adler, and there's a whole bunch, but ever, you know what I mean?
Yo, me gusta mucho.
Hi, my name is Steven. I like to serve, and I like to feel loved.
Hi, I'm
My name's
Hi, I'm. Give them all a hand.
I hit the show floor. I didn't go to any classes this morning. It was 8 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, with a 3-hour drive. But I did hit the show floor. The show floor was fun. It's huge. It didn't seem as overwhelming as it has been in the past, but maybe that's because I've been a few times, and I built out a chart of kind of places I wanted to go and people I wanted to see. From the Insta360, which is my favorite camera of 2025. We'll talk about that later. The GoPro Hero, just the regular one, not the black version. I love that camera because that's actually my favorite grab and go camera, because you just press record, just record it and go. Check out some of those clips on Instagram or YouTube Shorts when you get a chance.
You just have to change your settings. You select, you can select 4K, 8K. When you're selecting your program, you have to select.
We're trying to make this video, but we keep talking to people, and then Asuko know everybody, and then I keep talking to people, and we ain't never gonna make this video, but we gotta get this shot, cause I gotta go for a minute.
Anything, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Nashville Coffee right here with Alice Nelson Music. Let me show you what that looks like. And we're with Alice Nelson herself. She's about to give us a brand new solo in shop. She's gonna give us a solo in shop.
It's me, now you, it's what they always say. Maybe I'm about to paint some things. 'Cause I saw you last night, that girl up on your side, and I couldn't just let you get by. You kissing her on my mind. It's you, not me, yeah, that's what I'll say. Go on and pack your things and get the heck out. It's you, not me, I'm not afraid to say I'm so done with you now. So go ahead and keep on talking, you're still the one who's walking. Just so glad to say, baby, it's you and not me. You thought it was funny how you can mess my mind, and I wouldn't expect a thing. You said you left me, well I guess that was loud. Now boy, I'm seeing right through your games. It's you, not me, yeah, that's what I'll say. Go on and pack your things and get the heck out. It's you, not me, I'm not afraid to say I'm so done with you now. So go ahead and keep on talking, you're still the one who's walking. Just so glad to say that you can go ahead and keep on talking, you're still the one who's walking.
good seeing some people I hadn't seen in a while. Good just to make connections and be in person. So if you ever have the opportunity to go to like a photo conference, video conference, media tech, any conference, and meet people, connect with people, I suggest you do that.
Look at you. Are you filming?
How are you? What are you? It's gonna mean.
It's got a hover line or PlayStation. It's not hover line.
I don't know what it's done to. They told me earlier. Oh, and it's like.
But it has been nothing short of nothing short of I keep doing that. Nothing